this is Lexa Marie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys this Alipearl wig, 30 inches guys, 30 inches of hair. I just want y'all to see, 30 inches of hair. I'm going to be reviewing this wig, so if you do want to have the full details on this hair, make sure that you keep watching. But before that, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl so you can see more content like this. And after that, we're gonna hop into this install and this full review. So these are just some of the things that I got along with the wig that I'm going to show you right now. I got the literally the best bonnet I have probably ever gotten in my life. This is a satin bonnet, blue. I love the color. It's a dark blue. I also got a wig cap and a scarf, which I thought was really cute. It's like a Burberry inspired scarf that is pink. And then I also received a headband as well. And then there was some other things that did come, like a scarf. I don't know where I'm looking, child, but I got a scarf as well. I was probably watching TV while I was doing this, but again, I just wanted to show you the lace and how it looks on my head without being plucked at all. So this is how it comes, no plucking, no anything. And honestly, it's really not that bad. I wanted this to be like a fairly quick review, nothing too crazy. But when I do review this wig again, I am going to go more in depth and probably pluck the unit. And this is just a little side note. I think I am going to try to adjust that yellow harsh color. I did not wash the unit before I started using it. And I know when I wash it and I use my purple shampoo, it definitely washes out that color. So I might try to do that again just to see if it washes out that yellow tint and has it more of an ashier blonde. But I really do like this unit. I believe that it matched the picture pretty well. And now I'm just gonna go in and add my powder. All right, so this is how the hair came out after I did my makeup. Again, this is 30 inches, guys. This is 30 inches. Look where it comes. It comes to my butt. I'm 5'11" and it comes to my butt. So I would definitely say that this wig is actually large and big head friendly. I've had experiences in the past with Alipearl where the wigs weren't that big, but I definitely see a difference with this wig. I would say the pros for this hair is the cap size and the quality of the hair. Again, y'all know I love them. I absolutely love them. But overall, I would have to give this wig a 9 out of 10, like a solid 9 out of 10. Next time I install it, I'm probably just gonna pluck it a little bit more, but this is how it looks straight out of the pack, guys. Like no plucking, no anything. It's not shedding a bit. However, you're gonna notice when you do purchase this wig, you're gonna have some flyaways. So I would recommend using the She Is Bomb hair wax stick and just put that wherever you see some flyaways. And this is how it looks. So again, I would probably give this hair a 9 out of 10. I hope you guys did enjoy this video and like the length on this hair, as you can see. And let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.